All right. File tuli kuchi? Tuli ku file. Tukambe the moment you learn how to work with files, computer jakwangila because all the time files ne apps bikwatagana. Oba yagala okugulawo any file ogigwirawo mu app. Oba yagala okueditinga any file, maybe yagala kueditinga kifaananyi, ojja kyeditingira mu ki? Mu photo editor. Photo editor is an app gy'olina okuinstalling ako. So understanding files, how to edit, how to view, how to delete is very important, computer users. Files are usually represented by an icon. Kabanga ka image. Obera ku desktop tujabula. Nga wala waka kasasiro. Icon kandi badenga kafana kageza okule okumanya kye kiri mu ndomo. For example, if I come here, so buno buki bu icons bwe bufaananyi buno buyitibwa bu icons. Ne file nazo ku computers affe zibeera represented with icons. But whenever your document ojjagira bijja kubeefaananga document. Bwe kanaba kafaananyi ojja kalaka wajja muli kafaananga kafaananyi. Whenever your video ojjagira ba ngeri eringa ki? Eringa video. Sindio? Now, let us learn how to work with files. These are some of the most important lessons we know understanding. Bwe buno bufaananyi bwe tulaba. Ojalaba nga kawa katika faanagana nakaki? Nakakifaananyi. Nakakifaananyi tekafaanagana naka music audio. Aka audio tekafaanagana naka video. Bwonna bufaananyi. Buyitibwa bu icons. Files are physically represented by obufaananyi obufaanaganayo buti buyite icons. Sindio? Moving forward, to get the types of files, tugamba tugenda kutunulira. Number 1 tugambye cha documents, digital photos uziwandiike nja zikubuuza 4 different types of files. Documents, digital photos, music, and what? And videos. So, tutunile kye bayita folder. What is a folder? Now, kankunyonyole bulungi ku files. Wayogera ku documents, it doesn't matter oba ya Microsoft Word, oba ya Microsoft Excel, oba PDF, as long as it's a document, wagitypinze, no saving. It's regarded as a document file. Boyogera ku digital photos, as long as picture oba bakubye kifaananyi, oba it's a screenshot, oba it's ekifaananyi kyo downloadinze kuva ku internet, oba omuntu akubisiza kamera nene, oba akubisiza kamera simu ntono, as long as kifaananyi it's regarded as a photo what? A photo file. Boyogera ku digital music, as long as it's a music, oba we recordings oyimba, oba luyimba lwa muyimbi, oba na stop nga erimu audio nga music, oba it's a voice note, mutakusindikide ka voice note, ziba regarded as a what? A music file. When it comes to photo, so recording, it could be WhatsApp video, it could be we recording ezizo kuba screen recorder, ezizo kuba movie, ezizo wa video, oba non-stop, it is regarded as a video what? Video file. A video what?
Video file.
Video file. Now, what about a folder? What is a folder? Folder eyandibadde nga container mutereka files. Folder yandibadde nga ekifo mutereka ki? Container mutereka files zaffe. Agamba Windows uses folders to help you organize files. Yandibadde ng'ensawo mutereka files zaffe. Tugamba nti ensawo erimu bifaananyi, ensawo erimu waaga, ate ensawo erimu video, ensawo erimu music. For example, if you see here, tulaba this is a folder efaanana bweti. En folder etulaga erimu ki?
Photos.
Hati? Talk, guys.
Photos.
And this one remove chi? Recipes and remove work. So kuitinga endala ngerimu video. Netukuletinga endala ngerimu bifanani. So kigenda kuyamba kintu kikuyamba okuorganize computer yo kubeera ngeri organized. Nti wonoba ku computer onogamba enonya bifanani. Ojamanya okay bifanani biri mu folder etwa oba container etwa gye natuma photos. Okusinga ogamba nti biri buli wamu. Ngenda babuza example. Esimu za muzirike esimu yo Salima Shalifanya ani omulala ali wali ainana S atandikana S. Amina
Yes, please.
Amina esimu yo zerike bifananyi bimeka erike bifananyi bingi naye ojja kwesanga esimu yo nga kuliko ebya bottom nga birina bibiri ebya biri mu folder eyitibwa bottom ng'ebya kamera biri mu folder eyitibwa DSIM ng'ebya zenda biri mu folder eyitibwa etya zenda ebya WhatsApp nga biri mu folder eyitibwa etya WhatsApp. Kitegeeza onoba onoonya ebifaananyi bye baakusindikidde ku WhatsApp ojja kgenda obinoonya mu folder eri ku WhatsApp. Ne video tulina nnyingi. Ojja kuba ne video ng'ezimu wazidownloadinze ku internet endala bazikusindikidde ku Zenda. Era ojja kumanya nti eza Zenda wemba noonya video zange za Zenda nyagenda mu folder eyitibwa Zenda. Ne computer webeera tosobola kuba na bifaananyi nga 1000 nga biri ku computer biri buli wamu bitadde buli wamu. Ki kye tukola tukuleetinga container ne tumanya ebifaananyi byaffe tubiteeke nga muno. Ebifaananyi byaffe tudownloadinze tubiteeke mu folder eyitibwa download. So that tunaba tunoonya ebifaananyi ebyo oba file oba any file tujja kumanya wogisanga. Am I making some sense?
Yes.
About a folder. Now, tudzeyo ku kibayita file explorer. This is where you can view and organize your files and folders. Bagamba ku file explorer gye tusanga files and all folders ku computer. Windows yenna ajja ayina kye bayita file explorer. Abakusanga Windows oli omukadde kuva ku Windows 7 okudda emabega yayitibwanga Windows Explorer. Windows ono omupya okuva ku Windows 8 okudda maaso kiyitibwa kikino wano wansi kiyitibwa file what? File Explorer gye tusanga files buli file gy'olina ku computer ojja gisanga wano mu File Explorer. Buli folder gye eri ku computer ojja gisanga mu kibayita file what? File Explorer. No wano gye tulaba wano mu notes. Era wokirikingako nabaganda osangayo screen bbiri. Wana wagazi ne side ze na waki? Just nga twagenze mu settings nti twagenze mu settings tusanga ya wanene na watono. Era gye tukirikingayo omulundi gumu ebiri mu ndeno nga birabikira wa na wanene. That is File Explorer. Gye tusanga all files and folders. And then from there tusobola okudeletinga file tusobola ogiopeningirayo tusobola ogikopingirayo tusobola ogikola buli kye twagala. So let us go inside, let us dive in File Explorer. Grace, no Rema. File Explorer eriwa ku computer yaffe eno. My friend, where is File Explorer? It is here. I know it what file what?
Yellow.
Kitegeere mutova mukoza ya eno yitibwa file what? File Explorer. Era ne wano mu notes okalaba kakano. These lessons, please remember, don't go to TikTok. I'm paying attention. This is a File Explorer. How do you go to File Explorer? Just come and click on it. Simple as that. The moment you click on it, here we are. Twagambe, how do we enlarge enogundo jigeza? Twagala jula on screen. Remember, how do we screen and tujifula tena jula ku screen ku computer? How do we do that? Tunyigawa? Huh? Rema yayogera.
Yes.
I click here, correct? I click here,
Yes.
then inegeja. So that is our file explorer. Twagambye side zeeno wabeerayo awatono ate eno wabeera waki awagazi. Kigazi so wimanjagala biri mu galale nja kukona bukonyi kuki eno gye tusanga buli file and folder eri ku computer yaffe era gye tusobola ogyeditinga ozidiritinga ozikola kyetwagala. Wemanjagala kujjamu for example this one njagala kugijjamu I'll just click on it nga selecting wano delete, or I can just right click on it nefuna options and among options then choosing egamba ki delete. Twagambye manjagala kumanya biri mu attached nga ngendamu konako omulundi gumu engeraga temuli muno. Wemanjagala biri mu pictures nga nzako na ku pictures nga ndaba bice biri mu pictures. Kyendabye wemanjagala kyopeninga I right click on it nga choosing ki open. Wemanjagala ki delete nga right click on it nga choosing delete. Wemanjagala creating yo folder I right click mu space nengenda ku new I right click in space nenfuna options nengenda ku new in space nengenda ku ki ku new nenfuna ki selecting ki selecting a folder. If I want to check which biri mu downloads and checking enter njagala kebera bintu biri mu downloads. Lukasa, Christine, are you there? Nina ebintu bina downloadings okuva ku internet. Nina waka wange na downloadings okuva ku internet. Mukebera ntya? Njagenda no mu file explorer wansi. Very good. Time please. Christine, please. When you reach File Explorer, what do you do? What I told him in class?
Sorry, I've forgotten.
You forgot what? Any person? I want to open things as video download Zang.
You click on download.
What's your name?
Grace.
Grace. You click on what?
File Explorer.
File Explorer.
Then
Twagambe, when you click open File Explorer, man, I'm not going to repeat this 100 times. If you cannot understand this time, I'm moving on. We find two screen here and the small screen. How can you say you forgot? And then this side, we click one time, even we go down, you find the folder download is right here. How you say I reach here, you forget? You forget what? So you click on downloads, you kusanga biri mu downloads. So buli kimu ekikwata ku files eziri na folders tujja kusanga mu File Explorer. Tomorrow then they should not tell you go and open downloads or go and open documents. Mulimu document enyagalwa o deletingemu. Nogamba simanyi documents eriri dawa. Go to File Explorer. Side zeno jangu onoonya kiyitibwa ki? Document. There's one document here. Bibino ebiri mu documents. You go down, there's also another document. It's right here. Click one time. Ebiri munda bijja ku opening. You can even save it mu this PC. You click one time, nga bya opening storage yo nga ogiraba. Anything ku side zeno you click one time ng'olaba ebiri mu ki munda. The day you get a laptop, the day you get a computer, take your time, genda ko mu file explorer hanta gyali mu kusomesa ogambe yangamba nzigula file explorer tufuna screen bbiri akatono, yagamba akatono okilika mu mundi gumu ebiri munda nga birabika. So gende ng'okebera buli folder. If you want to open, you can right click and then you choose open. If I want to open this, I right click and I choose what? Open. If I want to delete, I right click and I choose what? Delete. If I want to copy, I right click, option I choose what? Copy. If I want to rename, to change the name, I right click on what change I choose and I choose what? Rename. If I want to share it, I right click on change sharing. I right click, I get option and I choose what? Share. Even another share is here. Even another open is here. Even we have down or more options. It's just a right click. I don't see anything hard here. People tell me they forget. The thing is down here, File Explorer. Click on it. When you reach there, don't forget that two screen 1 and 2. What you click here one time, echiri munda chirabikira one. Then you can do anything you want. If you want to delete, you delete. If you want to open, you open. If you want to share, you share. Anything. Simply right click of the options. Are we together? How to deal with File Explorer. Now, I want to ask all of you how to create a folder. How to create, write it down. How to create a folder. You say what? Okay, what's your name?
Grace.
Okay, Grace, proceed.
You click in the space.
I do what?
You click in that space.
I click. Nothing's
In
happening.
that space.
If it doesn't happen, then you do what?
Okay, right click.
You right click to get options. Alright?
Then
That's Baba. Baba is there? Send my greetings to him, huh? So when you right click, you'll go and say, and then from here, from new we go to, I want to right click so that it's better recorded. Right click to get option, right click, new, and then click on folder. Folder affe in one is there. Kangezembi n'ebintu. Grace. Grace is there? We said right click in with solo creating a containers in okuteekamu ebintu byaffe ndowooza mulaba ku screen kuno mulaba folder engeri gyezifaananamu ziba container mutereka file zaffe. For example njagala kuterekamu video muno, I will right click nengenda ku new, then ngamba new what? New folder. Folder yaffe tugiraba nga ekoze ki? Ezze. New folder. If tugenze mu file explorer ffe tusanga files and folders natuukayo, how do I create a folder here I can right click in the space. Make sure I right click in space. Make sure I right click where? In the space. If you don't right click in space, you will not open it. You will not create a folder. Let's talk about creating a folder here in gallery. So right click here in the space, and then from there I don't see new. If I don't see new, that means I'm going to go from what? More options. Oh, we cannot open in the gallery because it's okay. Let's try to open here in attachment. We right click in space. We'll find the option for what? For new, and then new tugenda kuchi. New what? New folder. Tulaba folder afenge janga tujituma linnya ngotekamu ne tukola ki? Etwagala. Maybe Zaki. In case twagala creating a folder mwene category itibwa downloads, we click on downloads and then we right click in the space and choosing it waiter and then folder. Teze umuntu sibuzibu nakusomesa mouse just mubamu ekitengo. First time I understand. First time is not is a thing to muta so chikwatira first time, but always don't fail to try. Ngeza kugamba side zen walo screen entono wano wanene kyokona mwene omulundi gomu wano nga kirabika. Now we have learned how to create a folder. If I give you this laptop negamba ku desktop menu, genda ku desktop menu yange okuyetigirawo folder ogitume nya yitwa Harriet. Janga ku desktop menu, right click in the space, choosing a new, and then selecting a new what? New folder. Tusome bingi nnyo munabyerabira singa we proceed. Do you know how to create a folder now? We know how to deal with File Explorer. How do we delete a folder? Maybe in creating this number 6. Before the young having computer, I want to delete this folder number 6. How do I delete a folder? Who can try?
I think Grace.
What's your name, my friend?
Okay,
Rashid.
Go on.
Rashida. How do I delete this folder? Please try it. How do I delete it?
Okay, Grace.
Rashida, don't play around, don't play games. Why are you mentioning people's names?
Right click on it.
Rashida, are you the one? Rashida, try. Don't fail to try. Gezako, chodukira. I want to delete it. Okay, Rashida, I want to open this folder. How do I open it? Rashida? Abadde muwala kyeyagambye mbuye Rashida. You right click on the folder.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you don't say the word delete,
My friend, and then can't you see the screen? You right click and do what?
delete.
And then you select.
Done, but you select delete.
And then you select delete. Why are we wasting our time like that?
No, I didn't waste your time.
You did. Because I was calling out someone who said the name you acquired, and yet you know you are the one. Simple as that. And even you know the answer. Grace, same you, Grace Buchanan. How do I create a folder here on the desktop?
You right click in the space.
You right click in the space.
Then you look the word new.
Then you look for the new option.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then you find folder.
And then you come here and select what?
Folder.
And select folder.
Then it appears. Then you put your name or anything you want.
Then you put anything. Maybe you put photos.
Yeah.
Simple as that. You know things. Why are you making me sad? Are you married? Do you have a boyfriend? So that is how you create a container, a folder. Omugaso gwa folder twagambye, Grace twagambye omugaso gwa container gwa folder kuterekamu ki our files. And if I might ask for the knowledge you have, what do you think is this? This one is a folder or a file? This one. My friend, I didn't talk about shortcut. Is this a folder or a file? Choose two.
It's a file.
It's a file. You can even see the Kawat Kaga Microsoft what? Document.
Documents.
And what about this one? Is this a file or a folder?
It's a folder.
Are you sure it's a folder?
Yeah. Empty folder.
Mukasome wano. I kill you.
No, that's a.
Alright. And what do you think this one is? This one. This is a video what?
A video file.
A video file. So it's a file. And there's this audio. So reggae non-stop. I don't know if you can see very well. Why you need to change the wallpaper. This one. It's a non-stop. It means it's a file.
Audio file.
So kitegeeza nsogamba akati wano ngendo teka photo zange including a folder mwengendo terekanga ki video. I right click in the space, I click on new, and then I select folder. Eno njitume dinya ki video. Tugicreate. Tutwagala files zibeere waka ono waka ajule ku computer file tulonye ne kitu nga tusobola kiraba eno waka eno video eno biki. Even before you proceed that, I want to ask one person. Can I ask one person a question? Teddy, how do you create a file or creating what a file? Types of file tuzimanyi: photos, videos, music, and documents. Teddy, how do you create a file? Chibachi say pass. How do you create a file? Anyone to try? Grace?
You right click on the space.
My friend, how do you create a file? Another person. My friend, how do you create a file? Don't ask me questions.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Word document.
You can create a document. You can open Microsoft Word and you type documents, correct?
Okay.
And then you create a document file, number one. Number two, how do you create other files?
You can download music.
You can download music. Now we have a computer, that's another file. Go ahead. How do you create another files?
You guys.
Huh? You can take pictures with your phone or with your laptop, and then you get picture files. You can take a screenshot, it's a picture file. Hey, the many files. You can download the video. Omuntu asobola okusindikira video. Omuntu asobola okusindikira voice note. You can record yourself. Even here we are making a file. Aren't we recording this class? See? We are doing what?
So you are forming files.
We are creating a file. We are recording a video file. Too much. Before you have to analyze the question. How a file is created. Bifananyi babi creating abata. Either jagwe kuba ekifananyi, jagwe kuba selfie, oba jati downloading up internet. Another file on video baji creating abata. So okwe recording ka video, so screening okola screen record, sobola okudownloadinga film oba non-stop mu video. Oba olimba mu video. Ate music, so okurecordinga eddoboozi nga nyimba, so okurecordinga screen yange mu audio, sobola omuntu okusindikira voice, nabyogedde dda. That is how you create a file. Sindio? Now, tumaze okuleetinga folders zaffe tugenda otereka files zaffe. Tubiteekamu tutya? We shall start from there tomorrow. I hope you have learned something today. Tusomye ebintu bingi. There is this video gyendicodings olwaliro giwa obudde ogitunulemu. Please, obadde mu class nodamu nokebera mu video, ebintu bye batawategedde gyabitegeera. What I've realized when omugenze ku video abasinga mulabeko 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. YouTube ebe kulaga minutes eba viewings. Tewalalabe video n'agimalako. Mufula abagezi mumpita musiro. Did you finish here yesterday? Here today? Go and, because bino biyamba mu